This weekend is about you. It's about your goals. It's about your dreams. It's about your family. It's about your future. It's about your business. It's about your next level.
We're talking about building an empire. We're talking about taking everything to a whole new level.
You can be better. You can't forget to dream because you can't give up on it.
Because when you get better, everybody around you gets better.
You are what you are and where you are because of what's gone into your mind. You can change what you are. You can change where you are by changing what goes into your mind.
Humans have a prey drive. It's their ability to see something and to have the persistence and the intensity to pursue it.
I believe your business is the best vehicle to achieve your life goals and dreams. But I believe you guys can succeed. I believe you have what it takes so you wouldn't be here.
How many of you really want some new results moving forward?
So why don't you just pull up your bootstraps a little bit and say, you know what, there's more in today. I can get more out of this moment. I can get more out of this business. I can get more out of this relationship.
That's what this weekend is about. It is about putting the past behind us and letting the future take us and guide us to new levels faster than we've ever done before.